half a dollar size hail. Really nice.
Mm-hmm.
They're good size. Almost the size of a golf ball, I would say. Almost. I mean, it was about the size of like a half a
Let
dollar.
me do it this way. Let me get it better. Oh yeah, all that hail is still out there. Look, you can see all the hail.
Really?
Hmm.
Garden's getting water tonight. Tomorrow's supposed to be hot again. It's gonna be good for it. Oh, yeah.
So they came back home. Because they get $300 for switching back to Verizon. So Verizon, not home for a
Go
better
right out
network.
quickly.
Doesn't look like it.
Hey, pretty fun. And starting each day with a delicious bowl of heartfelt Kellogg's Raisin Bran.
How's your cereal?
Sweet, tastes like winning.
How do you know what winning tastes like?
Dave loves the two scoops, and that Kellogg's Raisin Bran is one more step towards that healthy tomorrow.
You need slower to play.
There's a hurry to lose, huh?
Oh,
Invest in your heart health with Kellogg's Raisin Bran.
you're prime today.
Every villain has a hope. So does every hero.
Well, that culver's too hot in there. Is that the new one? Yeah.
Catch fantastic 4 minutes in the new
That's why it costs $800.
Chicken masala every night on Sci-Fi.
I still can't get over you paying $800.
Save the sacrifices must be made, my friend.
It's hot.
This wall, standing right here.
Throw the cover off for me.
Thursdays at 10, only on Sci-Fi. Catch up on past episodes now.
No, I think all it's doing now is just lightning.
With all that hail still out there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I heard it going.
Dum 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 dum.
Bump,
Get all
bump.
my garbage.
Yeah. All that light now.
Mm-hmm. It's like having like a light show.
Oh. There goes a message again. Severe
Thunderstorm
thunderstorm warning.
warning for Cook County.
Stay on TV, right?
Yep.
What's that laying out there in the grass?
That's that frog Roberta said.
Oh,
it looks
yeah.
like it looks like it broke.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, that frog that
the
was.
frog, yeah,
Oh yeah, that was down in it.
yeah. I
Did
got
it
the
break?
plant- No, I just toppled over. I was able to get the plant, I just didn't want to get soaking wet.
Doesn't matter. Yeah, I heard it. Bing, 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 bing.
Me too.
Stop.